today's program, Sharjah Research Technology and Innovation Park, called SRTIP. They have, on behalf of Telangana Chamber of Commerce, they have visited us and enlightened us regarding all the opportunities in Sharjah. All presents dignitaries, Mr. Hussain Al Mahmoodi, CEO, Sharjah Research Technology and Innovation Park, and Ms. Wafa Balaswat, Director, Free Zone Operations, Sharjah Research Technology and Innovation Park, and Mr. Muhammad Al Hamadi, Head of Partner Relations, Sharjah Research Technology and Innovation Park, and Mr. Jitin Warrior, Manager, Business and Ecosystem Development, Sharjah Research Technology and Innovation Park. From Telangana Chamber of Commerce, myself, Gona Madan Kumar, Secretary, Telangana Chamber of Commerce, presided the meeting. The dignitaries, Mr. Piyush Raj Akori, our Committee Chairman, Telangana Chamber of Commerce, Mr. Break this much. Mr. Narsinga Rao, Mr. Bala Vinod, Mr. Ramanamurthy, all the techie life members, and all other designated invitees attended. It was a huge success. Total, all walks of the life, 60 people attended the meet. Mr. Muhammad Al Ahmadi explained all detailed free zone specialties